Inflation got you? Sell more. Gas prices going up? Sell more. Bad relationship? Sell more. How many outbound calls or contacts or networks are you doing a day? If you want to increase your activity, increase your calls. Make 5 outbound calls. Get the muscles working. And start going out there contacting people about your products or service. Be proactive. Reach out to former clients. Reach out to potential clients. Call them. Get on the phone. Most people are afraid to talk to their clients. Talk to them. They'll tell you what they need. They'll tell you what's wrong with your product. Instead of spending money or doing surveys, use the phone. First of all, never hesitate on leads. The first people that normally react, 80% of the people get the business with that. So if you get a lead, don't hesitate. Start reaching out, calling the person right away, or get in contact because the clock is ticking. The more it sits there, the harder it is to close. Find 5 people or businesses that potentially reached out to you, right? Or previous customers. Pick up the phone and call them. Just 5. You'll be amazed how much change that is in your business. This is Ben Brown. Call me. I'll give you a free sales coaching session.